In this video I'll be sharing you a very simple nail art which you do not need any tools for this. So I'm going to take a base color as a black. This is from LA Colors, it's called Circuits, and I'm just going to paint this black, and with multiple different colors of nail polishes I'm going to create a nail art using a safety pin, or you can also use a toothpick. So I'm just going to make some teardrops using the safety pin, and just like this. And I have inspiration from the outfit that I showed you earlier. So I'm going to make teardrops from different colors just like this. You can choose any colors that you want. I just want to be very colorful and festive for the season of Navratri, so I'm just going to make it very colorful. So I'm done with the drops, and as you can see it matches with my outfit, and I wanted to make it more sparkly, so I'm just going to use some holographic glitter and place it in betweens. There is no rule, you can just place it wherever you like, and it sparkles, so it's really nice and very festive. So now let everything dry, and then I'm going to apply a top coat, and I like to use this Sally Hansen Insta Dry top coat. It's perfect, it dries in less than 30 seconds. So I applied a very generous amount of top coat, and it kind of magnifies all the design and the glitter effect. Now for the thumb and the pinky finger, I'm going to draw a different design, for which I have used a brush, but it is optional, you can also do it with the toothpick. I just draw some wiggly lines using the green nail polish, and then I'm just going to use a toothpick to make some flowers and dots like this. So it looks like flowers, and then some random dots with the different color. And then with the pointy side of the toothpick I'm just going to add some leaves, so it looks like this. So it is very colorful, it reminds me of a spring season. You can also use this design for the spring, and I'm just going to add some glitter so that it adds more sparkling effect to it. So our nail art is done. I'm going to apply the top coat, and that's it. And here our design is ready. So did it match the outfit? Let me know in the comment box. And if you like the design, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. And I'll see you guys next time with another simple nail art video. Till then, bye bye.